This video is an overview of the installation process and will assist in the installation of the Anthony liftgates AST, AST-L, and AST Plus models. This video must be used with the installation manual found in the informational packet inside the pump box to safely install the liftgate. This video does not take the place of the installation manual. Read and understand the installation and operation manuals. The success or failure of this liftgate to properly and efficiently operate will depend on a thorough and proper installation. Failure to read, understand, and follow the installation instructions and safety recommendations in this video and in the complete installation manual before installing the liftgate can result in serious injury or death to the installer or bystander. Also, read and understand the operating instructions in the operation manual before beginning the installation. You will also find an installation manual, operator manual, and a maintenance manual in the informational packet. The quick reference guide and the parts book are not part of the informational packet but are available at anthonyliftgates.com. The installation manual contains the complete and very important safety section with full details on how to avoid hazardous situations. We cannot overemphasize the importance of reading, understanding, and following all the safety-related material in the liftgate manual as well as the truck's owner manual. We strongly recommend using 2 people to safely install the liftgate. Check the vehicle's owner's manual for any special requirements prior to welding on the truck's frame. Some trucks require the battery cable to be disconnected prior to welding to protect sensitive electronic equipment.